Before submitting a paper, authors need to register or log into the system. In PeerSubmit, authors cannot register directly on the platform. Registration happens automatically when they start submitting a paper for a conference. For this demo, I will open the conference page in incognito mode. This helps simulate the experience of a new author visiting the conference page for the first time. From the conference landing page, the author can click on the Submit Abstract button to begin the submission process. Once the Submit Abstract button is clicked, the system will ask the author to authenticate. If the author is already registered, they can simply log in using their email address and password. If the author is visiting for the first time or not registered, the system will ask them to register. After completing the registration process, the author account will be successfully created. Once the account registration is completed, the system will automatically redirect them back to the submission process, where they can continue submitting their abstract or paper. That's how authors can register to PeerSubmit. To log in, visit the conference page again and click on the Login button at the top. Enter the email address and password you chose during registration. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the submission list page, where you can see all the submissions made by you. That's how authors can log in to PeerSubmit.